the big man's back. www.thekidfrombrooklyn.com. The big man wants to give a shout out to Don Amos. Don Amos out there in Connecticut. The big man misses you, Amos. The big man misses you. Anyway, the big man was reading in the newspapers where in New York City at LaGuardia and Kennedy Airport, they want to install footbaths so the Muslim cab drivers can wash their feet so they can go and pray. Did you ever get into a New York City fucking cab with a fucking Muslim driving? They need to get more than their fucking feet fucking washed. You gotta walk in there, mano. What a fucking stench. Make sure you roll down the fucking window and stick your head out of the fucking cab before you get in there. What is soap against their fucking religion? And how about fucking deodorant? What's that against their religion too? I mean, come on. Give me a break. Enough's enough already. Now you want to give them foot baths in a fucking airport so they can go and fucking pray? Go pray in a fucking mosque, you fucking rat bastards. Like everybody else, they go pray in a church. Anyway, think about it. This is the big man, the voice of the people. Go take a fucking bath, you rat fucking bastards. And the big man's always happy to see you.